Hi guys, this is my rabbits. Yes, Javon, Avers, Budgies, Cockatiel, Pigeon, Doves, and Rabbit farm. Yes, this is Rose. There's our children. You can see them. This is my next set of. These one are 3 weeks old. So pretty. Yeah, and they're on sale. The number is 3733777. This is my next set of rabbits. The two of them are pregnant, so I put them in a cage. They do not fight. Yeah, lovely ones. Now I'm going to the aviary. Yes, we got a pigeon. They're setting. And I got a quail. You can see him. A shiny fowl. The doves and the pigeon. The budgies mating. They're cockatoos. Yeah, the pigeon. They're setting so often. This is that their 6th time for the year. Yes, guys. That's my love bird. He's so rude. But when he's ready, he's talk anything. So I like him so much. I got a chicken setting, but it's not near me at this moment. And I also built something that the quail that he can go in to lay his eggs. Yes. So I plant grass, flowers, mango tree, that's a yam palm tree. That's my water pan. Yes, guys. Yes. This is the type of feed I give them. Healthy. Yeah. There they. I have a budgie setting in that nest box. And a cocktail setting there. One up there, building nest. You can see it. Yes, that's my naughty rooster. He's so naughty. He gave a lot of problem. Yes.